Have you ever heard of palm oil? Most people have heard of palm oil, but not many of us are aware of how destructive it truly is to produce. Before palm oil. The start of the destruction to produce palm oil. Palm oil has become one of the leading causes of rainforest destruction. One of the biggest polluters to the planet is the production of it. The farmers are burning the natural forest so that they can plant the palm oil trees in neat rows. The burning of the natural forest emits some of the largest amounts of carbon dioxide into the air, which causes health problems for local people. This also erases biodiversity and ruins animals' habitats. Palm oil plantations. The process to form palm oil is destroying the forest at a rapid pace. Palm oil is an oil that is in almost all of the products that we buy each day. Worldwide, more than 1.6 billion people rely on the forest products for all or part of their livelihoods. So what about the homes of these many animals? Someday soon enough, all of these species will be gone, and once they are gone, it is forever. We must work for a responsible way to farm palm oil before it is too late. Do you want to help? Contact Rainforest Foundation US and find out how we can save the rainforest together.